Hello students, let's start the physics. The chapter number 1, physical quantities and measurement. Physics is a subject that deals with physical quantities. Quantities that can be measured are called physical quantities. They are further divided into two parts. First is fundamental quantity and second one is derived quantities. The fundamental quantities of the SI system is the length is meter, the SI unit of mass is kilogram, the SI unit of time is second, the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, the SI unit of electric current is ampere, the SI unit of luminous intensity is candela, the SI unit of amount of a substance is mole. Now move to the derived quantities. The physical quantities that are defined in terms of fundamental quantities are known as derived quantities. For example, as you can see in the table, derived quantities are area, volume, speed, acceleration, and density. The measurement of volume. The amount of space occupied by an object is called its volume. In other words, volume is a measure the size of an object. So, the volume of a book will be more than the volume of an eraser. The SI unit of volume is cubic meter. Measurement of area. The amount of surface covered by a closed shape is called its area. The SI unit of area is square meter. For example, the area of regular shapes such as a square, rectangle, triangle, and the circle can be calculated using a specific formula. The area of irregular shapes. Irregular shapes such as palm of your hands and a leaf do not have a fixed dimension. Therefore, we do not have a standard formula for calculating their areas. Let us learn about the density. For equal volumes, sand appears to heavier than an equal volume of cotton. This is because of matter in sand is more closely packed than in cotton. If more mass is packed into the same volume, or if the same mass is packed into the smaller volume, it becomes denser. In short, we can say that the mass of an object contained per unit volume is known as density. The SI unit of density is kilogram per cubic meter. Density of regular solids. Cubes, cuboids, cylinder and spheres are regular solid. The volumes of these solids are determined by using a specific formula as given their shapes. To determine the density of a liquid, we need to find its mass and volume by using a special density bottle available in definite volume along with a ground glass stopper. At its neck, the stopper has a fine hole in it. Generally, density bottle of capacity is 50 ml, which is used in laboratory. Now move to the topic speed. Speed gives the measure of how fast or how slow an object is moving, regardless of its direction. A fast-moving object has a high speed, whereas a slow-moving object has low speed. If there is no movement, then we say that the speed is 0. When we say that a track event at Olympics is 800 meter long and Aisha takes hundreds to cover it, then her per speed is given by 800 divided by 100 is equal to 8 meters. We calculate the speed of an object using the formula is speed is equal to distance travelled upon taken time. That's all about the chapter. For the conversions, we will move to the second part of the video. Thank you.